Young Rush welcomes you. Careers in National Aluminium Company. National Aluminium Company Limited, NALCO is a Schedule A Navratna CPSE established on 7 January 1981, having its registered office at Bhubaneswar. It is one of the largest integrated Bauxite-Alumina-Aluminium Power Complex in the country. NALCO is the first public sector company in the country to venture into the international market in a big way, with London Metal Exchange registration since May 1989. The company has been listed at Bombay Stock Exchange since 1992 and National Stock Exchange since 1999. With its consistent track record in capacity utilization, technology absorption, quality assurance, export performance and posting profits, NALCO is a bright example of India's industrial capability. As one of the largest integrated primary producers of aluminium in Asia, NALCO's presence encompasses the entire value chain from bauxite mining, alumina refining, aluminium smelting, and power generation to downstream products. So, you might be thinking that how to get a job in NALCO? Candidates who qualify in the GATE exam can apply for National Aluminium Company Limited's recruitment for the post of graduate engineer trainees. Moreover, the candidate should be a graduate in any of the following: mechanical, electrical, metallurgy, electronics, or instrumentation engineering program with an aggregate minimum of 65% marks or equivalent CGPA. Here is the step-by-step application process to join NALCO. Step 1. Check out the official website of NALCO, that is nalcoindia.com. Step 2. Check eligibility criteria. Step 3. Pay the application fee. Step 4. Fill out the application form. Step 5. Upload the scanned documents as per the given instructions. Now, selection process for NALCO is as follows. Step 1. Based on GATE score, candidates will be shortlisted. Step 2. Personal interview. Step 3. Process of document verification. Step 4. Final selection. After the final selection process, candidates will have to undergo training for a period of 1 year. On successful completion of training, candidates will be absorbed as junior manager in E1 grade. The approximate CTC would be Rs 10.52 lakhs per annum during the training period and Rs 15.73 lakhs per annum after confirmation. Besides basic pay, the employee will be entitled to dearness allowance, HRA, a medical facility, provident fund, gratuity, etc. Apart from engineering posts, NALCO also recruits candidates from other disciplines like law, human resources, marketing, finance, mining, geology, materials, horticulture, etc. For more information on the above posts like eligibility criteria, application and selection process, pay scale, etc., you may visit the NALCO's official website nalcoindia.com. For detailed information on systematic GATE preparation, you can watch Young Rush's detailed video on the GATE exam. Hope you found this video interesting. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.